English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 3, Number 12. There are trees at a distance every 12 meter and lamppost of every 20 meter among a road. If a tree and lamppost are side by side at the beginning of the road, after how many meter will be the trees and lamppost be side by side again? That means start tree and lamppost in the same place, and trees distance 12 meter and lamppost to tree to tree distance 12 meter and lamppost to lamppost distance 20 meter. Then if start from a place and how many distance will be, they will be placed again. Lamppost and tree will be placed again. So see, 12 meter and 30 meter, 12 meter and 20 meter, if we LCM them, we can see 12 and 20, 2, 6 and 10, 3 and 5. Then LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 equal to 60. So answer equal to 60 meter. That means the tree and the lamp post will be side by side again after 60 meter. Thank you.